Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to active free VPN on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on Play Store and click on search, click on keyboard, click on VPN. After click on VPN, click on VPN and click on install. After click on install, you will see app is installing. Start. After installing, click on open, click on allow, click on continue, again click on allow, and click on select auto select. After select country, click on connect and click on OK. Go back to home screen, go to app library, click on settings app, click on network and internet, VPN, and click on the settings icon. Make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.